Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, July 18th, guys. Welcome back. Here we are. Another day of trading. It was a difficult day of trading for myself, guys. I actually had a clear direction of what I wanted to do. However, I had so many interruptions after that 9:30 a.m. bell rang, between phones ringing, people ringing on my front door, and as well as one of my dogs ended up puking. Anyways, it was just a weird morning, so I was kind of in and out, getting up from my seat. Certainly, the focus wasn't there, and as well, the pressure was on. So today was a bit of a choppy day trading. I think at the end of the day, I could have had a much smoother of a day, perhaps, gaining some more profits. But needless to say, it is a green day. Not a very massive green day, but they can't all be hitting your targets. I'm finishing green, $132, and that's trading 3 stocks. Let's quickly get into it. We'll start with the best, American Corporation, AMRN. It was on the scanners for a gap. As you can see, let's look at the one-day charts, guys. Check this out, a massive gap down. However, I think this stock is being, more so on a strong trend that I think as soon as it hit this 50 EMA and a little bit of resistance here, or support here, it decided to push back up during the day. So let's dissect what I did, because I did both long and short on this one. We're starting with the long that I did this morning. Let me open up the 1-minute chart to show you what's going on here. A very, very, very quick entry for me. So this is going in roughly 15 minutes into the day. You can see a strong move upwards after the 9:30 a.m. Market bell. Actually, did a dip, strong move up, bounced around, consolidated, did a big dip right here, but pushed right back up. And this was the part that was key for me. That candle, that doji candle right there, was a sign for me to get in. And I did. So I entered right away. It popped up, took some profits, started to come down, took the rest of my profits, and I think, honestly, I only scored $35 out of that trade. Whatever, $35 is $35, right? Started to go down during this whole time right here, guys. This big block right here. This is where I was off and on to other trades, including Morgan Stanley, a bank, and also Roku. Because while this was going on, I was trading 2 other stocks, but I'll show you after how I ended up taking this stock short, where it gave me most of my gains. Let's look at Morgan Stanley. To be quite honest with you, I can't even remember how the heck I did this, because I was up and down with the bell ringing, phones ringing, dogs puking. It was weird. Anyways, you can clearly see that I decided to go long right here, and eventually sold for profit, sold for profit, sold for profit, sold for profit. I don't know what I got there, but this was my mistake here. And honestly, I don't even know what I was thinking here. This perhaps, I think I actually meant to go short here. I'm not kidding you when I say this. I think I meant to go short here, and I ended up going long. Because why would I just don't see how or why I would have bought at this stage. There's no significance for me. And everything I know about candlestick charting, there's no significance here. Perhaps I was thinking of shorting based on these levels right here where my cursor is. See these levels right here? There's a lot. There's these peaks over here. I honestly think perhaps I meant to go short here, and somehow I went long. Must have been an incorrect click, and all of a sudden it drove down past the VWAP, and I got out with a minus $63 loss. I gave it one more attempt over here with the break of this bullish leg up, consolidation, perhaps a breaking of a flag, and as well as the VWAP. It did not work in my favor. It did pop up a little bit, came down. I quickly got out though. It didn't work out for me. And honestly, I don't even know why I did this, because if anything, if I was going to go long, it should have maybe broke this area right here. It needed to break this area to show any strength and significance. And even the volume, wasn't huge. I understand the volume was big 2 candlesticks previous, but look at the volume dropped right down. Another bad trade. Anyways, thankfully only minus $63. I was happy at this little part here. That helped out. I really don't know how much I gained, but obviously I lost it here. I don't know what the hell I did here. But let's go to Roku. Roku is a disappointing thing for me because there was potential with Roku. Honestly, there was great potential with Roku. And, I was long biased at the beginning. Strong opening, bought the dip, started to make some profit. I actually bought the dip again right here, took some profit. I actually decided to re-enter this portion right here. You can see, it had some strength. It held the 9 EMA, again here, started to come up. I re-entered with larger share size, not too high. And honestly, it broke down below VWAP, started to come up to VWAP. I thought it was going to hold VWAP. I think I added maybe another 100 shares. And all in all, went back down. I exited my full position. Or did I? Yeah. Did I? Trying to think what else happened here because I got more profits or more takes here. So, you know what? Can't remember what the heck I did here. Anyways, you know what, guys? Let's call it quits. My brain is frazzed right now. The trade recap, I'm sure, is really crap. But as I say, I was up and down from my desk, honestly, at least 6-7 times from the 9:30 a.m. open, and that is not what you want to do when you're studying these charts minute by minute, second by second. So it's a green day, $132 in the green. Continuing my green days. This is not a very strong green day, but it is a green day, and I'll take it. So till tomorrow, guys, happy Thursday. We'll see you tomorrow morning, Friday. I'll be trading again. I believe I'll be trading again. There's a chance I might take off to the cottage, so depending on what time I leave. That being said, guys, have an amazing Thursday afternoon, and we'll see you tomorrow morning on Friday. Take care, guys.